Okay.
Actually, I'll just take the combine.
Okay.
But you know how to boot?
No, well, I watched him do it yesterday. Okay. Shit. Is this where those trees are down?
I think we're coming up to that.
Yeah. Because he's going far left.
This is where we were doing the river cleanup.
Okay.
Right there. These trees.
That's cool.
Way up high.
What did you tie off to? Another tree over there?
No, he had this thing so you hammer it into the sand.
Okay.
And you could literally like,
That's awesome.
all this is like tons of work.
Oh shit. That one surprised me.
Crazy, so they were standing on that log like with chainsaws.
Yeah.
And life jackets and helmets. Yeah, that log. But just be on the lookout. I think there is wood in the rapid up ahead.
Okay. Oh, he's going far left? Oh shit.